Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Olive. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, let's get right into the video without taking much of your time. I'll be sharing how I moisturize my hair at night while in a protective style. So this is the tools that I'll be using to moisturize my hair. This is my spray bottle. In here I have my water. This the leave-in conditioner I use for my hair, the Curlychic leave-in conditioner. I use this for my hair. And also I just bought this as I am restore and repair Jamaican black castor oil water. I'll be trying this product on my hair too. This is the first time using it, so I want to share it with you guys. Then for my scalp, I'll be using the E-Blast for my scalp. I'll be using the E-Blast for my scalp. This is my oil. Then to protect my hair, I use my bonnet to protect my hair. Then I'll be trying the baggy method because it really helps me to retain moisture. I use the baggy method whenever I moisturize my hair. I do the baggy method because I want to retain moisture. My hair finds it difficult to retain moisture. Whatever I do is always dry. So ever since I started this baggy method, it have really helped me a lot and I appreciate it. So I'll keep doing the baggy method because it has really helped me a lot. So guys, first thing first, I will start by spraying some water to my hair. Now I'll be moving in with my as I am Jamaican black castor oil water. Like I said, this is the first time trying out this product on my hair. Now I'll be moving in with my leave-in conditioner. This is how the leave-in conditioner is. I don't know if you can see it. Don't forget your edges, guys. Don't forget it. Now I'll be taking again for this side of my hair. So now this is the oil. I'll be applying it directly on my scalp. You don't have to put in too much, little goes a long way. Okay guys, you can see my hair is moisturized, like it's moisturized. I do this every night whenever I feel my hair is dry. Yes, I do. This is the routine I do at night whenever I feel my hair is dry. This baggy method because my hair finds it difficult to retain moisture, so this has really helped me a lot. I take my nylon to cover my hair. I leave this for 30 minutes, then I take off the nylon, and then I protect my hair at night with my satin bonnet. Guys, don't go to bed without this. It has really helped me to grow out my natural hair. So once I'm done taking out this nylon, I will protect my hair with my satin bonnet. Don't forget guys. So this is just a simple routine I do at night whenever I want to moisturize my hair, whether cornrow, whether mini braid or twist. I hardly do twist on my hair, but I will try it out. So that's just it, and I hope you've learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.